Okay, I just wanted to show that this solved my problem with the wild birds getting into the chicken coop and eating all the bird food. As I showed before, I put this netting up. It's on the inside of the door now, so I can still easily close the door. And it's easy for me to walk through. But they were still walking through that little square down there, so I just stuck a little piece of chicken wire tunnel right there so the chickens go back and forth, no problem. But the chickens don't, or the wild birds don't do that. And there's where the chicken feed is. So now I will find out if my chickens are not such pigs like I thought they were.